Well, good day. This is going to be dim text after animation. And let's go look at an example. Here's a typical slide that has a bulleted list, and it says, make each holiday dim to light gray after animation. And so what's going to happen is I want each one of these bulleted items to come in one at a time. And when I get done talking about Labor Day, then Veterans Day is going to come in. And Veterans Day is going to be dark just like it is here. When I get done talking about Veterans Day, then Thanksgiving is going to come in. And what I want to happen is I want the ones that I'm done with to gray out, to change color, not to be dark black anymore, but to turn gray. So that when somebody's not paying very much attention to my PowerPoint, and they can tell which one I'm on because it's the dark one. The previous ones have turned to a different color. So it's real easy to do that. What you do is you click your bulleted list. Now make sure you don't highlight anything. No, don't highlight anything. Just somewhere in your list that you have these nice dashed lines around there. Don't highlight a line. That's a mistake. Don't do that. So just be someplace in your bulleted list, and we're going to go up to the Animations tab. Underneath Animations is Custom Animation. We'll give that one a click. So I'm going to add an effect to this bulleted list, and it's going to be an entrance effect, and I think I'm going to go with wipe. I kind of like wipe. I use it all the time. The default wipe is to wipe. Here says from the bottom. I really don't like that. I'm going to change it to left, from the left. So things are going to come in from the left, one at a time. You see how they're coming in one at a time? Now what I want to do is I want to change the color of the ones that I'm done talking about, so that once Labor Day is done, it'll turn gray and the big dark Veterans Day will come in. And when I'm done talking about Veterans Day, it'll turn gray and the big dark Thanksgiving will come in. So here's what you do. You go over here on this custom animation, you give it a right click on the one you just did, and you go to Effect Options. And under Effect Options, you can change the dim. It says after animation, don't dim. And I said, well, I don't want that. I do want it to dim. So I get to choose which color that I want. And you don't have to choose one of these colors that are previously used. You can just go to more colors if you want. I'll choose more colors, and I'm going to choose a light gray. Maybe this one. Maybe that'll be a good one for me. I'll say OK, and a little run. And you can see that once it's done, it'll turn light gray. Let me run this one just to show you really quick. It says make the holiday dim to gray, and so I'm going to talk about Labor Day, and I'm talking, and then when I'm done, I give it a click, and now I'm going to talk about Veterans Day. Labor Day is grayed out. And then I'm now talking about Thanksgiving, and Veterans Day is grayed out. And now I'm done talking about Thanksgiving, and now I'm going to talk about Christmas, and the previous ones are grayed out. Well, that's about all there is to it.